what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today I have an absolutely beautiful 2018 Roush jackhammer behind me. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe. That's going to stay up to date to see cool cars like this. But this is running the Roush Supercharger, the new Eaton Supply 2650 rotor pack. And this right here, if it's 18 and 19 Mustangs. So I'm going to show you the jackhammer on the dyno. If you have a normal GT, you can get the same supercharger in your car. Let's take a closer look. Before I make the pull on the dyno, I'll kind of tell you the plan. So this is an automatic car. I want to make a pull, and then I want to compare it to the 15 to 17 Roush Phase 2 kit, and here's why. Now this car comes off the showroom floor rated at 710 flywheel horsepower. When you buy this kit for your GT, it's rated at 700. Now the Phase 2 for the 15 to 17 was rated at 727 flywheel horsepower. That's the kit I had on my 16 Mustang, which is also an automatic, so we're going to overlay those graphs. But let's take a quick look here at this car. So when it came in, we did a bunch of cooling mods. We do our alloy radiator, and of course, cooler thermostat. We did a set of Cook's headers with a high flow cats and some really awesome suspension mods, which you're not gonna be able to see standing here inside the dyno cell. But the new 2650 Supercharger does make quite a bit more power than the old 2.3 liter. So it's gonna be really interesting to make a poll to see what this car makes. Basically, showroom stock car with the exhaust and the cooling mods. So I'm gonna get in, we're gonna make a poll through the automatic training. This car is running 93 octane. We'll look at the graphs and we'll overlay them over the 15 to 17 Phase 2 kit to see which one is better. I'm going to show you these graphs, a couple things. Remember I said 93 octane, and I did log the boost on this. It was right around 11 PSI. I know a lot of you want to know that. And you want more information on this kit, I'll put a link in the description, as well as you want something like this installed, email quote@brentspeed.com. I'll put that link in there as well. But so we laid down 634 real horsepower. Torque was 566. I mean, through the auto, that torque to me looks awesome. My old 16 automatic with the Phase 2 made 588 real horsepower, 466. Now remember, on the 15 to 17, we're talking a 2.3 liter supercharger. So we do have more displacement on this supercharger. Although it is rated at less flywheel horsepower, it's really killing the old Phase 2 kit from a real horse standpoint and a torque standpoint. I mean, torque difference is huge. So again, this car does have headers. That is gonna add a little bit more power to a base stock car. But Doug, let's take a look at this right here. It's funny, the last Roush car that I had in here was black with the red stripe, and I really enjoyed that, and that's what's really cool. This client did change over to a polished wheel because of jackhammers. This is car number 116. Rumor is they were only gonna make 200 of these back in 2018. This is 116, and he did switch because he's normally had more of a black wheel on it. But all in all, a cool car. Runs really good, 10-speed automatic, love it going down the street. Makes really good torque, the car is fast, and that's a really good cruiser. So I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.